I'm gonna do it. I finally decided I'm going to remove these brown and crunchy plants and replace them with something new and exciting. So stay tuned. Oh my goodness. One down, 3 to go. Wow, this is just not coming out. Dang, look at that root ball. Crazy. I took all of the old soil out and put new soil in, and now I'm going to add some Sure Start. All right, this is what we have. We have a Dusty Miller, petunias, and these are Pistachio Cream Ray. We have Ipomea Black Heart, and we have begonias. So I'm now going to put it all together. Hopefully it looks good. All planted and ready to grow. I love how it turned out. I can't wait till it fills in. Now the petunias, now they are a mounding plant along with the Ipomea Black Hearts. It's a mounding plant. They both get between 8 and 9 inches tall. The Dusty Miller, it grows about 8 inches tall along with the begonia. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a great week. See you next time.